Hello dear students and welcome back to the art class. So I'm ready with my quilling material today. I'm going to teach you how to do quilling. In my previous video, I have already shown you that what are the various different shapes that you can make with the help of this quilling tool and quilling strips. So as you know that quilling is making different forms, bird forms, animal forms, fruits, vegetables, flowers, trees, and all sort of shapes, square, triangle, rectangle, heart shapes, using paper, colorful paper, and quilling it, turning it over a quilling tool. And in case you do not want to use a quilling tool, you can also quill by using your hand. Just a simple quill. But this takes a little more time to master. So for beginners, it's always best to use a quilling tool which is easily available in the market. Now, a lot of quilling strips are available in the market. But when I went to the market, I felt that I did not get all the colors that I wanted for my quilling art. So these strips I have cut out from the colorful A4 sheets that I have at home to get the colors of my choice. So if you want, you can also cut out these strips of your favorite colors from colored sheets that are available at your home. Then this is the tool with which you can get the crinkled effect quilling strip. Those of you who want this may use this. Otherwise, without the tool also, you can make some really amazing quilling artworks. So it's time to begin today's work, and we are going to create a lovely bookmark. So for that, I've taken a strip rectangular paper. For making a bookmark, you can take a rectangular piece of paper. It can be of any size, as broad and as long as you would want your bookmark to look like. And also, this is a simple bookmark shape, which is a rectangular shape. You can also have a bookmark which is pointed on both the sides, or which are curved at the sides. It is up to you. So suppose I want to change the shape of the bookmark and make it look a little more attractive, and I want a little pointed top to it. Then what can be done? I can just cut it from the two sides like this. Make sure that both the cuttings are equal, so this way you can shape your bookmark in a favorite shape that you would like to have. And now today we are going to make some lovely birds, colorful birds with quilling. So without wasting more time, let's begin. So to make the bird, I've chosen a blue color. So this is a bright blue color strip. If you're using the quilling tool, can you see the cut in the quilling tool? This is a small cut in the quilling tool. I hope you all can see. You are going to put the strip inside this cut very carefully. Okay? हम ये कट के अंदर ऐसे ये strip को fix करेंगे, and then very carefully we are going to start rolling. Just see, I've already taught you. Please roll your hand like this. Just keep rolling. Hold this strip, and this hand, can you see, I'm rolling it. Keep rolling the tool, and you have to make sure that this should not happen. Can you see all the strips? Can you see the strip curls are not one on top of each other. ये सारे curls अलग अलग हो गए हैं. So we have to make sure that these curls that are happening fit one on top of the other. So I need to do this again. So if you do this again, once again fit and on top. Keep rolling in the same straight line. Now you can see it's all coming on top, one on top. So like this, we are going to roll, and to make the bird, we have to make the drop shape. So roll like this. Once done, very carefully bring it out. Make sure that your roll doesn't open. Very carefully you can hold like this and slowly remove the tool. So now I have this with me. So since my bookmark is really small, I need to make very small birds. Now, since I want to make the drop shape, I have to open it a bit. Can you see? I have opened it a bit. I loosened it a bit and it has opened. So once you loosen it a bit, it will open. And now, once it opens and you feel that this size is perfect, then what do? Then only you will put the Fevicol at the corner. So take your Fevicol and this corner, the last edge, just put a drop. We don't need too much. Otherwise it will spoil your entire quilling sheet, strip. And then press it like this so that you get this drop shape. This is the drop shape, right? So press and tilt a bit. Press. Can you see? I hope you all can see clearly. Press and tilt a bit upwards. How did I tilt? Using your thumb, you have to put pressure like this. Like you're pulling it upwards on one side. Can you see? Okay, I hope this is easy for you. So this is one bird shape. Right now you must be feeling that, oh, it's not looking like a bird, but have patience. Similarly, by quilling, we are going to make more birds. हम और birds बनाते हैं. Same size. If you want to make a bird which is bigger, then you will take a longer strip. And if you do not have a longer strip, what you can do? You can stick two strips together like this. And you'll get one really long strip. Longer the strip, bigger the shape. So let's begin making a bird with this shape also, and then we will change the color of the bird. Maybe if you want to have a red bird along with the blue bird or a yellow bird. So very carefully roll in the same straight line. Done. Once done, very carefully pull it out. It should not open. Wow. Done. Open as big as you want, almost the same size. Done. Now take your Fevicol. Put Fevicol at one end and stick. Hold it. Now we want the drop shape. So what do we do for the drop shape? Pinch at one side. एक तरफ से हम इसको press करेंगे, pinch करेंगे. And then we want this curl. So for the curl, it goes up. Pinch and take it up. See, another one is ready. So similarly, I'll make with more colors. So our 4 cute little birds are ready. Oh, right now they are not looking like birds to you. It's very suggestive. Please wait a moment. Now I have made a very tiny yellow wing for my bluebird. See, like this. Wow, now it looks like it's about to fly. We just need to give her a beak. Wait. So similarly, we can make these wings for my other birds also. So students, if you want to make this wing, we will take a very small strip because this wing is very, very tiny. And then just put that strip in your quilling tool and wrap. We need very little. So I think only this much will also do. I will stop here. I can cut the remaining sheet with my scissor. You can do it before or wait. You can do it later. I think it will be easy for you. Remove. I've taken it out. Cutting out the extra. Remove. And put a bit of Fevicol. So since our birds are very small, इसलिए हमें ये wing थोड़ा छोटा बनाना पड़ा. If your birds are bigger, so you can have the wing also a little bigger. Depends on what size you're making. And then you can put it like this neatly for your bird. See what happens when we are putting glue. The glue comes on our fingers also. So this tends to stick. So for that, you can use your tool to keep it in place. Similarly, we can do for the yellow birds also. Now since my birds are ready, I've removed them, kept them aside, and I've taken my sketch pens because I want to make a nice tree for them. So we can do the tree with quilling also, but since it's a bookmark and our birds are so tiny and then leaves will have to be even tinier, so I decided we'll do it with a sketch pen, which will be a mixed media and will look very, very nice. A tree for the birds. So for that, first do a double line like this. And then take out branches in different directions. Then let's continue. So we have to make our 4 little birds sit on the branches. This much is enough. We can color inside the trunk and the branches later. You can add smaller branches like this. And then leaves with your green color. Now using your green sketch pen, you can add leaves on the tree. You can do this by using 2 different shades of green or 3 different shades of green, whichever color green sketch pen you have. Suppose I have this and I have a light green sketch pen also. So I can add the leaves like this. Now you are going to place the birds whichever way you want to make them sit on this lovely tree. We will give them the beak later, so just put a drop of Fevicol and you may put your bird and press a little so that it gets fixed properly. Put a drop of Fevicol, press a little, it will get fixed in some time. Don't remove it too fast. Again, I'll put a drop of Fevicol and fix my bird and press it a little once again, and the last bird. Now what is left? Just the beak is left and we are going to give her a beak now. So for the beak, you can pick up your red sketch pen and with your red sketch pen, just add beaks. You are going to make a V like this so that we show that the birds are singing and chirping. So make a V and just double it. So these birds are all happy and singing a nice song. So this lovely bookmark with birds on a tree through quilling is ready for us. We can add grass and flowers and lot more things if you want using your sketch pens. I hope you all enjoyed this quilling activity. See you in the next art lesson. Bye.